Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage on Flydubai. First, go to flydubai.com. At the top of the page, click on Book and Manage. Then select Manage Your Booking. You'll be taken to a page where you can add optional extras, including extra baggage. Enter your last name and booking reference number. Then click View Booking. From there, you can choose how much extra baggage you need, review the rates, and pay online. You can also add extra baggage at Fly-to-Buy sales offices or at the airport, but booking online in advance is usually cheaper than paying excess baggage fees at the airport. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage on Fly Dubai. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.